Good morning. How are you today? This is the day 4 of Korea Adventure. We're now at the Seoul, and this is our hotel. It's Residence Royal The Residence Hotel. Yeah. So this is the street. Ayan, busy na, gising na yung mga Koreano at pupasok na sa mga trabaho nila. Maganda yung transport system nila dito. Yung mga bus nila every 20 minutes may mga dumadaan, so hindi ka talaga malilate. Ayan, nasa gitna yung mga ano nila, yung mga public transportations nila. So walang pila, every 10 to 20 minutes dumarating yung mga ano, kaya walang pila dyan. So dyan yung mga public transportations nila at sunod-sunod talaga dating nito. Okay. So, katulad dito, yan, dumating na. Alright, my name is Lance William. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is a fourth day in our South Korea adventure tour. Alright, thank you and have a nice day.